Hello everyone, in this video, when people mess with the wrong cops, we'll dive into real moments where reckless choices meet swift justice. These intense encounters show exactly why challenging the law is never the right move. Fresno police arrived after receiving reports of a suspect causing chaos at the museum. When officers approached, he continued to resist, and things escalated when he threatened them with a hammer. Actions like that only lead to a worse outcome. The law does not show leniency toward those who defy it.
I have him at gunpoint. We're in the back of the museum. Do it. Whenever taser deployed. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Whoever, you got it. One Edward, 13 shots fired. We need to announce to the supervisor.
Peoria police made contact with the suspect, but instead of cooperating, he aggressively attacked officers with a baseball bat, making the situation even more tense. Attacking the police is never a wise choice. There's always a heavy price to pay.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Send me another car. Stop.
It was supposed to be a simple check, but instead of complying, he ignored police commands and escalated the situation, forcing officers to use a taser. Resisting the law only makes everything worse.
What are you doing?
You're on a traffic stop. You need to stop. Okay, you need to get out of it. You need to stop.
Please leave me alone.
No.
I did not do anything.
Get on the ground.
Whoa!
Get on the ground. That's fine. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground right now.
Get in the house.
On the ground. On the ground. Get on the ground right
Get in the
now.
house.
Taser, taser, taser.
Why would you take my brother? He didn't do shit!
One's been tased.
He tased the nigga, he didn't do shit! Oh my god!
I'll give it to you again if you give us a problem. On your face, on your face. Hands behind your back. Okay.
Oh my god!
Is it everything you did after you jumped out of the car?
I used my blinker.
Number one, you didn't use your blinker on.
I did. I used both of my blinkers. I used my blinker when I turned left.
Or you let me know when you want me to
I
talk.
used my blinker turn right when I came into here.
Let me know when you want me to
Carrying a warrant and then attacking police with a knife leaves only one outcome. You will be subdued and taken into custody. Trying to run from the police is just mistake after mistake. The chase between officers and an unregistered vehicle was intense. The suspect repeatedly resisted and even tried to escape after being detained, but all of this only made his charges more severe.
I'm sorry.
Dashcam footage captured riders popping wheelies, weaving through lanes, causing chaos on Northern Avenue and bringing traffic to a standstill. Public roads are not a performance stage, and the law does not tolerate actions that endanger public safety.
Driving on the road, endangering everybody. We're not trying to make your life harder, man, but it is a big nuisance and a danger to you, other people on the street, man.
Los Angeles police responded to reports of an armed man causing chaos at an intersection. Officers quickly approached, but the suspect ran and things escalated when he charged at them with a machete, forcing police to open fire to stop the immediate threat. Fighting the police only brings consequences faster.
Get in. Hey, pursuit. Charger, that might be complete. He's going around. My side. Stand by. Stand by. We're good. Stand by. Stand by, crossfire, bro. Crossfire. Got it. Look!
Okay, northbound 199 somewhere.
A suspicious vehicle was ordered to stop in Uptown Maumee, but instead of complying, the driver sped off through the streets. The intense chase ended in a crash. Once again, the law proves that running is never a way out.
It's on fire.
Okay.
Let me see your hands! Drop it! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Drop it as ever in your lap! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stay there! Oh, your child!
You have to get them.
Who do I have to get?
It's not mine. It's not mine.
What the f***? Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach now! Help me, don't kill me! Don't kill me!
Do not put anything in me, man. Do not put anything. You're putting something in me, man. You're putting something in me. Come on, man. Come on. Please don't do it.
Hey, boss, come here, bro.
Houston police arrived to check on a family's safety, but Edgar De Leon turned everything into a nightmare. He was aggressive, threatened relatives and neighbors, and even said he would get a gun and shoot officers. Not even a taser could subdue him. Choosing confrontation over cooperation can lead to severe consequences.
I'm not gonna take it off, listen. Oh, what? Because I'm here for you. No, stay alive. Look at your hand. Stay here. Come inside, we'll take it like this. Come out here and talk to us, man. Dog, you come inside. You acting like a kid, bro.
Bro, what's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? Edgar, what is wrong with you, bro? Bro, Edgar, what are you doing?
Edgar. I'm not inviting you, sir. I'm going back to Class 17 right now. Shoot you in the face. Yeah, exactly. Hold on, I got shit, man. I got it, bro. Stop.
Stole it from Quick Trip.
No, I did not.
In just 20 minutes, a woman in Wisconsin became involved in multiple incidents that required police intervention. What began as a simple check quickly spiraled out of control. She not only resisted, but later attacked officers. The law can be patient, but when challenged, it will not show mercy.
For what? For what? I never stole anything. No! Let go of me! Let go!
Why do you have to be like that?
Stop it. Stop.
Sarah, knock it off. We're good. We're good.
You want to let Tony go?
Take him off now.
Stand up.
Liam!
Stand
Take him
up.
off! Now!
Stand up.
For what?
Stand up.
For what?
Sarah, stand up.
No! For what?
The law has a very good memory. Once you're on its radar, nowhere is truly safe. An Onalaska police investigator located and approached a wanted man in La Crosse, but the suspect refused to cooperate and tried to run. No matter how far he tried to flee, he couldn't escape the law.
I'm saying, what are you doing?
You are being detained.
For what? Why are you being so aggressive to me, though?
Jazz, come on. Why are you doing this?
Why are you being so aggressive?
We thought he's running northbound. We're going eastbound. Roll on your stomach.
Yeah, that's not running.
Roll on your stomach. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Just stand up. Spread your feet apart.
An armed suspect led police on a wild chase through North Philly after refusing to stop. As officers closed in, he jumped out of the car and tried to run again. But the law doesn't let criminals simply slip away. Resisting and attacking police only pushes you toward an outcome no one can save you from. Trying to flee from the law has never ended well, and it never will. his actions were foolish? Did he really think using force against a police officer would get him anywhere? Thanks for watching When People Messed with the Wrong Cops. What moment surprised you most? Do you think the officers reacted appropriately? Share your thoughts before you go.
Put your freaking legs in. I apologize.